just not open.
No.
This one doesn't usually work very good. If I remember right.
Just get the lugs. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to get the lugs. Make sure
Or touch the enter code button to enter your code.
Last time was scammed on the price. You have to pause it right here when it's wash activated.
Insert payment now. Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you.
We hope the
Please
power
go
didn't go out.
forward slowly.
We hope not. Oh, got it in a cage. Thank God. Oh, the probably fixed the wash package, please. We hope so.
No idea.
Starting up triple phone. Yeah, I got you a $13 deluxe. That's okay. They probably swapped the wash package right way too. I remember they used to have a Ryko Voyager too. It's sad it's gone now. Now we have to stop. Now it says wincing. Now it says clear cut clean soon.
Okay.
Yep, and now I got your deluxe wash. They probably fixed the wash package already. Yay, they fixed it. Joe owner fixed the wash package. And now we got you a $13 deluxe. Against spot frequency. Last time I got you a $15 wash was scammed. But they paid a deluxe wash for $13. And Joe owner fixed the wash package already. Not getting a $15 wash again until a couple of months. Oh, you have to stop while you still stop. On both dryers. Ooh, they fixed the wash package the right way. They fixed it.
That's good.
Maybe next time we get your top wash again. Yeah. Maybe next time. That's okay. Whoa. Blushes did a great job in this car. Yeah, $13 wash. Saved us money. I got you a tripod. Right there. That all the credit your $13 deluxe wash. Saves some money. It saves $3. It saves $2. Yep. Bad Sergeant. they gotta go like, I get you a $13 deluxe. And they fixed the wash package the right way.
They did.
Yeah, maybe come back and get $15 next time.
Maybe.
Well, you see what happens. That'll be it.
Mm.